What's up, guys? All right, so today we have a really awesome product to go over. It is becoming fall soon, so we're in September. This is Lockharts Fire and Brimstone oil based. So it's medium hold, medium shine, made in Michigan. And how they make it black is at this black oxide. I think this is basically just their medium, their kind of standard medium pomade. And it's slightly different though, and really nice smoky fragrance, a smoky woodsy fragrance that kind of just smells like fire and brimstone. It's perfect for fall, perfect for Halloween. All right, so we slightly dampen the hair. We're gonna get a little scoop out. My hair isn't that long. It might be a little too much to go in at first, just a little bit less. All right, that's perfect amount. So the cool thing about this product is, let me emulsify this real fast. All the shaking is that black sort of darkens your hair a little bit. So, all right, so I applied it because you don't want to touch your phone right after you're using like a oil-based product. It's really hard to get off. So I applied most of it, but all I did was really just kind of slicked the hair back once I got it in, and I got most of it is off my hands. Now oil-based products, they're gonna leave a little bit of a sticky sort of residue on your hand, so just be aware of that. All right, so to start, we're just gonna go with the wide side of this one first. I'm gonna get like a general shape that we want. All right, went ahead and found the part there. Okay, let's just finish this here. So this product's kind of giving me a good amount of volume. So because I didn't bog it down with a lot of water, sort of allows you to get a good amount of volume here. Oil and water obviously don't go well together. So just add just enough water to make your hair malleable. All right, I'm at the go with the finer tooth comb now. All right, we're gonna hit it with the fine tooth side. And go back with that wide tooth. Just gonna add a little more. All right, so we had a little more product in there because it felt like the middle was kind of higher. It was getting more volume than the front. All right, now from the front, I like this. So I'm just gonna actually just finish this off with a finger comb. All right, and that is, let me get a close up here. Okay, let's hit it with this detangler real fast to get some wide comb lines. Maybe bring up the front. All right, now we are looking good. So all done. So that's Lockharts Fire and Brimstone. I don't know if my hair looks a little bit darker. I feel like it looks less gray though. That's for sure. You can barely tell. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so this is kind of the final result. So, not that much water. The texture's pretty soft and malleable. So that's just a characteristic of oil-based pomade, and you get that nice shine too.